Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wished your hair straightener could do more than just smooth your strands? Well, that's exactly what we're exploring today with the Calista StyleVibe Hair Straightener. This tool promises not only sleek, straight hair, but also effortless styling with minimal tugging, thanks to its vibrating plates and Tourmaline Ionic ceramic technology. Plus, it claims to add a touch of curl when you want to switch things up. The StyleVibe features innovative vibrating plates designed to glide through your hair with less snagging or pulling. Its Tourmaline Ionic ceramic technology helps reduce frizz and static, leaving hair looking polished and shiny. This iron is intended for dry hair, allowing you to straighten, smooth, or even curl without multiple tools. The handle and controls feel intuitive, making it accessible for both quick touch-ups and more detailed styling sessions. In real-world use, I found the vibrating action genuinely helpful. It minimized the usual pulling I experience with traditional flat irons, which makes longer styling sessions less tiring. My hair felt smoother, and the Ionic ceramic plates gave it a glossy finish that lasted several hours. Curling with this iron takes a bit of practice, since the plates are straightener-focused, but it's doable once you get the technique down. Overall, it integrates seamlessly into my morning routine without slowing me down. On the pro side, the vibrating plates are a standout feature, reducing hair stress and breakage. The finish is sleek, with frizz control and shine that truly make a difference. It heats up quickly, and the build feels sturdy enough for long-term use. On the con side, the curling function requires some patience and skill. And while it smooths effectively, it may not replace a dedicated curling iron for those seeking intricate curls. Considering value for money, the Calista StyleVibe is positioned at a mid-range price point. The added vibration technology and Tourmaline ceramic plates justify the investment if you're looking for a tool that combines multiple styling functions and protects hair from heat damage. Compared to other flat irons on the market, it stands out for minimizing snagging and enhancing shine. Though more affordable straighteners may achieve similar smoothing results without the vibrating plates. The overall build quality is impressive. The plates feel durable, and the body of the iron is solid without being heavy. Longevity seems promising with careful use. While I haven't personally contacted customer support, Calista's reputation in the beauty tool space is generally positive, suggesting reliable service if needed. If you're considering alternatives, some budget-friendly flat irons provide smooth results without vibration technology, but they won't offer the same glide or frizz-reducing benefits. For those who prioritize hair health and ease of use, the StyleVibe's features make it a compelling choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. In summary, the Calista StyleVibe Hair Straightener delivers smooth, shiny hair with less effort and less pulling. It's particularly well-suited for those who want a multifunctional tool for straightening and light curling while minimizing heat stress. If you value hair protection and a polished finish, this iron performs admirably. Thank you for watching Beautyistic. If you've tried the StyleVibe, drop a comment below and share your experience. And remember, the link to purchase the product can be found in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.